we are at the town of, what is it, Karlstad?
Kaltstadt, yeah.
Karlstad.
Kaltstadt.
And this is where Trump's grandfather,
Frederick Trump.
Ooh, church. Okay, we're at some adorable little German town, an hour outside of Frankfurt. Parking is an issue in these little towns. They don't provide parking.
Water sitting over there.
Okay.
Actually, it's a perfect time.
For what?
You want to try your ATM?
For
There's
where?
a bank right across the street. Sparkasse.
Sparkasse.
Right there.
Eat this.
So this is your bread,
Okay.
bread knife,
Okay, bread knife.
and your bread, and then you scoop
Lather
it
it.
on,
Okay.
so you can snack it.
Okay. Danke.
You don't want the water, do you? You don't want water.
No. Okay, bread. Oh, look, your choice of bread.
But of course, Reagan and the other sit inside. Yeah. Regarding the safety, it's not possible anymore.
Oh, it's cold.
They make it thicker. I think.
Yeah, it's thick. It's leprechaun green.
Should you take pictures?
So it's really hard to find a parking place here, and then it's just run out. So I didn't care about that, but it's difficult.
So are we legal, or did you move the car?
For 1 hour, he moved the car.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I think there's nobody checking that, but I don't know. But anyway, I know that it's a big problem here to get a parking place. Because the towns are so small, so old, they have not the area to put something in. You like it?
it has. Yes, I do like it. I'm trying to.
Try to find out what
The herb. Yeah, there's a herb. It's a green herb. I'm trying to figure out what it is. I know what it is. I just can't come up with it.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
It's okay.
It's too soft for you?
It's okay. It's just. It's okay.
Okay, so the next one.
I'd rather-
like it.
Have a rod there next.
I like it, but
I'm not a big white wine person, but I will drink this. It's
Okay.
just okay.
He'll finish that and then he'll have a rodler.
Okay, what are we having again? What is this called?
In the middle,
In the middle.
Leberknödel German. It's a liver knödel. It's out of liver, more or less.
Okay.
And the bratwurst is known sauerkraut, and this is Saumagen. And this computing, or it's existing out of meat, different meats, and potatoes, and some vegetables.
Okay, spam. Salad. It is very, very warm. Oh, look, grapevines.
Let's do the jaws, otherwise I go out. Not much space.
I think you can do it. Oh, Lord. It's going to be hot in there.
Yeah. Wow, it's very hot.
Okay, new day. We are at Mainz, M-A-I-N-Z. It's spelled Mainz, but it's pronounced Mainz. And their license plate here is MZ. Just like this Tesla that's not charging. MZ. When we get back from Luxembourg, apparently friends of ours are gonna be here in Germany, in Nuremberg.
Yeah, Nuremberg.
Nuremberg. So they fly in on Thursday. We fly in on Thursday. Probably Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We'll rent a car and then meet them halfway. There's a big city, or we can meet them in a little town halfway from Frankfurt to Nuremberg. So since it's just gonna be the two of us, we might be renting a sports car so I can go 120.
Or we can rent a sports car and Bear can go with us. You can still drive.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, Bert can go with us. He's retired now. He's in a fixed income, as my dad liked to say. Okay, this is the what? What river is this? This is the Rhine. Okay, we are in Mainz, and this is the Rhine River. Frankfurt is that way. The airport is that way. Surprisingly enough, not all Germans are my type, but there are quite a few that are.
Almost none for me.
Oh, none for Walter. Oh. Something happens to Walter, I still intend on getting my beach house, my beach shack in Maui. And I might need to learn German.
They all speak English.
They all speak English. I'm not as young, cute, and adorable, so hi won't work as well. I'll just wave a Rolex.
Oh, that's bad.
This is Dom Church?
Church.
Yeah, but another one.
Oh, another one.
Heilig Geist. It means Heilig Geist.
Holy Ghost.
Holy Ghost. Exactly.
I can still get some words.
Perfect. That's really.
You'd think I studied German.
It's not on the. Maybe because it's a restaurant now, it's not called like.
Well, that's true. So,
Oh, okay. Is this it?
Okay.
This is cool.
Maybe we have a short view into the inside, and then we can go out.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's got cream cheese, but it's not cream cheese.
Well, specially flavored cream cheese.
All right, specially flavored. Okay, we're gonna walk around the church after we eat. And I didn't take you around when I was looking at people's food. But I'm having what this lady's having. She's having the fish and risotto. The steak looked delicious too.
What do you think? What was it?
Hmm?
What did she have?
Oh, she has the fish. Okay, Barrett and I got the fish with risotto, and Walter got the vegetarian curry with chicken. Risotto is good. And try the fish.
Curry's good.
Oh, the fish is delicious. What?
Almost anywhere in the U.S. right now, if it's a situation like this,
What's an MP card? License plate number at the police station. MP card? MP card. Hindi ba your officer dapat email MP card? Okay, why are the letters always 12 letters?